This will be a hypnotic session to build your self-confidence. And if you're ready to go into trance, just mentally say to yourself, I agree. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and take a deep breath and exhale it very slowly through your mouth and relax. Now, using your imagination, I would like you to close your eyes and realize that I cannot do this for you. You have to do this for yourself. But if you follow my instructions, you will reprogram your mind and have unlimited confidence to make a lot of money. Now go ahead and close your eyes and take another deep breath. If you focus on my voice over the next few minutes, you will not only feel amazing, but you will begin this journey that allows you to reprogram your subconscious mind for success. Take one more deep breath, letting it out slowly and going deeper and deeper with every breath you take. With every word I speak, you go deeper into trance. That's right. All the way down, all the way deep. So keeping your eyes closed now, I want you to use your imagination, and I want you to imagine that your eyelids are so heavy and so relaxed that just for a little while, they begin to feel stuck. And when you've imagined that your eyelids are so heavy and so relaxed, not yet, but I will want you to test it out. Now realize, if you imagine that you can open your eyes instead of them being stuck, of course, they will open. Try to open them now. Perfect. And just relax and let go. Let go all the way down, all the way deep, completing letting go of all worry or fear. Any tension in your body, your chest, your arms, your legs, or your mind, just let it all go. And I want you to imagine that all your problems and all your limiting thoughts and all your worries are floating out of your mind now, relaxing you even more as you go deeper and deeper into relaxation. Now I want you to imagine a dial in your mind. This dial controls your level of presence. Turn it all the way up to the maximum, 10. You are here, you are focused, and your subconscious mind is wide open for a massive upgrade. That's right, be here right now. I want you to think of a time you felt unstoppable, even if it was just for a second. Locate that feeling. Where is that feeling in your body? Is it in your chest? Your solar plexus? Good. Give it a color. What color is that feeling of pure, raw confidence? Spin it. Imagine that color spinning. Spin it faster. Now spin it from your head to your feet. Every cell in your body is now vibrating with that frequency of, I can. You don't hope, you know. You don't try, you execute. As that feeling spins faster and faster, double the intensity now. Triple it. Feel the heat. Feel that power rising up your spine. This is your new baseline. When you open your eyes, later, this feeling stays. It is not a guest. It is the owner of your house. Now shift your focus. Imagine you're standing in the center of a massive field. This field represents your life. From every direction, money is flowing towards you. Not because you're chasing it, but because you've become a magnet. This is a blueprint shift. See your old money ceiling, that invisible limit on what you thought you could earn. Now smash it and watch it shatter like glass. Now move into the receiving state. Open your hands in your mind and feel the weight of the abundance. It's safe to be wealthy. It's good to be rich. The more you have, the more you can give, and the more you can change the world. Money is energy, and you are at the highest frequency in the room. It seeks you out. It finds you in the mail, in your bank account, and in new opportunities that appear out of thin air. See yourself tomorrow. Look at how you walk. Look at your shoulders are way back. Your chin is up, and you have $1 million look in your eyes. Notice how people react to you. They sense your certainty. They want to be around you. They want to do business with you. You are the person who expects success and receives it instantly. Let's lock in this feeling. This is your new permanent state. Your subconscious will continually say to you, I am a winner. My confidence brings me everything I need, including more money than I need. I am wealthy. Good, that's right. Now it's time to come back. Bring in this healed version of yourself. On the count of 3, you'll be back, feeling like a brand new version of yourself. 1, bringing that energy up through your legs, your torso, and into your heart. Feeling that surge of power and the absolute certainty that wealth is yours. 3, eyes open, wide awake. Boom! Go get it. How does your body feel right now compared to when we started?